Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is super exciting and it will be about culture shocks in Slovakia. Whether you're planning to visit or already here, these phrases might catch you off guard. Let's jump right in. Greetings etiquette. First up, greetings. In Slovakia, people are very friendly but formal at first. Handshake. When meeting someone for the first time, a firm handshake with direct eye contact is the norm. It's a sign of respect and confidence. Kissing on the cheek. Once you become friends, don't be surprised if you get a kiss on each cheek as a greeting. It's a sign of warmth and friendship. This might feel very intimate if you're not used to it, but quite common in Slovakia. Formality. Initially, people address each other formally, using titles and last names. Over time, as the relationship becomes more comfortable, they might switch to first names. Tip. Always use dobrý deň, good day, during the day, and dobrý večer, good evening, later on. These greetings show respect and politeness, which are highly valued. Taking off your shoes indoors. This is a big one. In Slovakia, it's customary to take off your shoes when entering someone's home. House slippers. Often you'll be offered house slippers. Papuče, to wear indoors. This keeps the floor clean and comfortable. Respect. It's considered respectful and keeps the house clean. Walking around in your outdoor shoes is a big no-no and can be seen as disrespectful. Tip. Always be prepared to remove your shoes, so wear nice socks. Also, if you're visiting someone, consider bringing a small gift as a token of appreciation, such as flowers or chocolates. Formality in addressing people. Formality is a big part of Slovak culture, especially in professional settings. Using titles. Always address people by their titles and last names, like Pán Novák, Mr. Novák, or Pani Nováková, Mrs. Nováková. It shows respect and acknowledges their status. Transitions to first names. Wait until they invite you to use their first names. This invitation often comes with the phrase Môžeme si týkať? Môžeme si týkať? Can we use the informal you? Tip. In business settings, it's better to be overly formal than too casual. Meal times and dining etiquette. Dining in Slovakia has its own set and rules and customs. Lunch as main meal. The main meal of the day is usually lunch, eaten around noon. This meal is often hearty and filling, including soup, a main course, and dessert. Table manners. Always wait for the host to start eating and keep both hands above the table. It's polite to say Dobrú chuť, bon appetit, before starting. Toasting. When toasting, make eye contact and say Na zdravie, cheers. It's a gesture of goodwill and camaraderie. Tip. Finish everything on your plate to show appreciation. It's considered polite to leave a clean plate, indicating that you enjoy the meal. Public transportation etiquette. Navigating public transport can be a new experience for many. Quiet rides. People are generally quiet and respectful on public transport. Loud conversations or phone calls are frowned upon. Giving up seats. It's polite to offer your seat to the elderly, pregnant women, or those with small children. This gesture is highly appreciated and shows good manners. Tickets. Have your ticket ready before boarding and validate it to avoid fines. Ticket inspectors are common, and fines for not having a validated ticket can be hefty. Tip. Learn the basic phrases for buying tickets and asking for directions. For example, kde si môžem kúpiť lístok? Kde si môžem kúpiť lístok? Where can I buy a ticket? And kde je najbližšia zastávka? Kde je najbližšia zastávka? Where is the nearest stop? Gift-giving etiquette. Gift-giving has its own set of rules in Slovakia. Flowers. If you bring flowers, make sure it's an odd number and avoid chrysanthemums, as they are used for funerals. Odd numbers are considered lucky, while even numbers are for sad occasions. Unwrapping. Gifts are usually unwrapped immediately upon receiving. This shows excitement and appreciation for the gift. Appropriate gifts. Consider bringing wine, sweets, or small household items. Avoid overly expensive or extravagant gifts, as they can make the recipient feel uncomfortable. Tip. If you're visiting someone's home, it's polite to ask if there's anything specific they need or would like. This shows considerations and thoughtfulness. Personal space and privacy. Slovaks value their personal space and privacy. Politeness. Don't be overly intrusive with questions about someone's personal life unless you know them well. Topics like income, personal relationships, and politics are usually off limits unless you have a close relationship. Body language. Respect personal space during conversations. Standing too close can make people uncomfortable. Quiet time. Respect quiet hours, especially in residential areas. Loud noise after 10 p.m. is generally frowned upon and can lead to complaints. Tip. A friendly, respectful approach goes a long way. Always ask before taking photos of people or their property. Work-life balance. Work-life balance is taken seriously in Slovakia. Working hours. Most offices operate from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's rare to see people working late hours or on weekends. Vacations. People take their vacation time seriously. It's common to take several weeks off during the summer. Family time. Evenings and weekends are often reserved for family activities. Don't expect immediate responses to work emails outside of office hours. Tip. Plan your work communications during business hours and respect people's time off. Showing considerations for their work-life balance will be appreciated. Festivities and traditions. Slovakia has rich traditions and festivities. Name days. Celebrating name days, meniny, is as important as birthdays. Each name is associated with a specific day, and people often receive gifts and congratulations. Christmas. Christmas Eve, Štedrý večer, is the main event with a special dinner and gift giving. Traditional foods include carp and potato salad. Easter. Easter traditions are colorful and involve a lot of folk customs like decorating eggs, sprinkling water, or cologne on women. Tip. Learn about these traditions to better understand and participate in Slovak culture. Being aware of these customs will help you connect more deeply with locals. Punctuality and reliability. Punctuality and reliability are highly valued. Being on time. Arriving on time is a sign of respect. Whether it's a social event or a business meeting, being late is considered rude. Keeping promises. If you make a commitment, keep it. Reliability is crucial in both personal and professional relationships. Tip: always plan to arrive a few minutes early. If you're running late, inform the other party as soon as possible. And there you have it, 10 surprising culture shocks you might experience in Slovakia. Understanding these customs will help you navigate and enjoy your time here much more smoothly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!